Hello, and welcome back.
Hi, everyone.
Today we'll practice polite ways to say negative feelings.
Yes, like when you're not okay.
Maybe you feel upset, worried, or stressed.
And you don't want to sound rude.
Sometimes your mind goes blank and you don't know what to say.
Or you say, I'm fine, but it's not true.
No worries. We'll keep it simple, step by step.
Let's go. Great, let's start.
So, Mark, how are you today?
I'm okay. A little tired.
Oh, okay. Did you sleep well?
Not really. I woke up too early.
Ah, okay. Is the weather cold today?
Yes, it's cold and gray.
Right. Does that change your energy?
Yes. I feel slow today.
Got it. Any busy plans this week?
A few. Work is a bit heavy.
Oh, do you have time to rest later?
I hope so. Maybe tonight.
All right. Now, let's talk about negative feelings in a polite way.
Okay, that's important.
Sometimes you feel bad, but you still want to be kind.
Yes, I don't want to sound angry.
Exactly. And you don't need big words.
Good, because I don't have many words.
That's okay. Short lines are enough.
But what if someone asks, what's wrong?
Good question. We'll practice calm answers.
And we can say it without drama.
Yes, simple, polite, and clear.
Nice, I'm ready.
Okay, first, a simple check-in. How do you feel right now?
I feel a little stressed.
Oh, stressed. Got it.
Can I say I'm not okay?
Yes, you can. It's honest and simple.
But is it too strong?
It depends on your tone.
So what is a softer way?
You can say, I'm not feeling great.
Oh, nice. Not feeling great.
Right. How about you try it?
Okay. I'm not feeling great today.
Perfect. That sounds polite.
Can I add right now?
Yes, that makes it clear. We used a useful word. Quick word check. Feeling means how your body or mind is today. Example, I'm feeling tired. Example, I'm feeling stressed. Okay, back to you.
So I can say, I'm feeling stressed right now.
Exactly. Good job. What else can you say when you feel upset?
Maybe. I'm a bit upset.
Oh, a bit is good. It sounds softer.
Is a little the same?
Yes, a bit and a little are close.
Nice. So, I'm a little upset.
Right. Try one more with worried.
Okay. I'm a little worried today.
Great. Clear and calm.
What if I don't know the word?
Then you can keep it general.
Like what?
You can say, I feel bad today.
Oh, simple. I feel bad. Can I say I'm stressed without feel?
Yes, you can say, I'm stressed.
Got it.
But I feel stressed sounds a bit softer.
Oh, that helps.
Let's do a short mini story.
Okay.
You see a friend. They ask, how are you?
Then I pause. I breathe. I say, I'm not feeling great today.
Perfect. Simple and real. That's a good phrase. Let's review it fast. Not feeling great is polite and common. Example, I'm not feeling great today. Example, I'm not feeling great right now. Now, tell me again.
I'm not feeling great right now.
Nice. Now let's move to reasons. All right, now let's give a simple reason.
Okay, because people ask, why?
Exactly. How can you say a reason but keep it short?
Can I say, I have stress?
Better, I'm stressed. Or, I'm under stress.
Oh, okay. I'm under stress.
Right. Or you can say, I have a lot on my mind.
Is that too hard?
It's okay. We can keep it simpler too.
Like, work is hard today?
Yes, that's very clear.
What if I don't want to explain?
Good question. You can set a kind boundary.
Like, I don't want to talk?
Yes, but we can soften it. I heard a key word there. Mini vocabulary review. Explain means say the reason. Example, I can explain later.
Example, I don't want to explain now. Okay, back to you.
So I can say, I don't want to explain now.
Exactly, polite and clear. Let's practice a kind boundary. Your friend asks, "What's wrong?"
Oh no, again.
Yeah, what do you say?
I'm not feeling great, but I don't want to talk now.
Nice, that's kind.
Can I say right now at the end?
Yes, that sounds natural. Now add a small next step.
Like later?
Exactly, try it.
I'm not feeling great right now. Can we talk later?
Perfect, that's very polite.
What if I need space, not talk?
Then you can ask for a break.
How do I say space in simple words?
You can say, "I need a little break."
Oh, nice. I need a break.
Right. We used a useful word. Let's look at it for 1 minute. Need is for something important. Example, I need a break. Want is for a choice. Example, I want a coffee. Let's use it.
Okay, I need a break right now.
Exactly. Good job.
And I want to talk later, not now.
Nice contrast. Here's the mini problem.
Uh-oh, what is it?
Your friend keeps asking, "What's wrong?" many times.
Oh, that happens.
You don't want to be rude. What can you say?
Let me try a short sequence. I smile a little. I say, I'm upset, but I'm okay. I say, I need a break now. I say, we can talk later.
Perfect, calm, and kind.
Is I'm upset, but I'm okay strange?
It's okay. It means I'm not great, but I can handle it.
Oh, got it. What if they still push?
You can repeat your boundary.
Like a broken record?
Yes, but polite. No drama.
Okay. I'm not ready to talk. Maybe later.
Exactly. That's a kind repeat.
Nice. I feel safer with that.
Great. Now we'll role-play a full short talk. Okay, next, let's close kindly and suggest a next step.
Nice. Like talk later or take a break.
Exactly. Ready for a role-play?
Yes. Who starts?
I'll start. I'm your friend.
Got it.
Hey, Mark, how are you?
I'm not feeling great today.
Oh, what's wrong?
I'm a little worried.
Worried about what?
I have a small problem at work.
Oh, no. Do you want to talk about it?
Not right now. I need a break.
Okay. Do you want help or just space?
Just a little space, please.
Right. No worries. Do you want to talk later?
Yes, later is better. Maybe after dinner.
Perfect. I'm here when you're ready.
Thanks. That helps. Can I try a shorter version?
Yes, keep it simple.
'Cause sometimes I only have 2 sentences.
Exactly.
Role play again?
Yes, go. Hey, how are you?
I'm not okay today. I need a break.
Oh, can we talk later?
Yes, later, please.
Great. Take your time.
Thanks.
That's a good phrase. Mini vocabulary review. Take your time means no rush. Example, take your time, I'm here. Example, take your time, we can talk later. Okay, back to you.
Take your time. We can talk later.
Nice, very kind. Now let's add one more polite closing.
Like what?
Thanks for asking.
Oh, that's good.
Yes, it shows care.
Is it okay to say I'm fine when I'm not?
Sometimes you say it to be private.
But then people keep asking.
True. You can use a middle answer.
What's a middle answer?
I'm okay. Just a bit stressed.
Oh, nice. Not too much, not too little.
Exactly. We used a useful word. Let's review it fast. Just can make it softer. Example, I'm okay, just tired. Example, I'm okay, just a bit stressed. Let's use it.
I'm okay. Just a bit stressed today.
Perfect.
What if I want to end the talk fast, but kindly?
Good question. Use a short closing plus a next step.
Like, I need to go?
Yes, and add kindness.
Let me try a short cluster. Thanks for asking. I'm not feeling great right now. I need to go. Can we talk later?
Excellent. Clear and polite.
And no big story.
Exactly. Simple is strong. One more role play. This time I push a little but kindly.
Oh no. Okay.
Ready?
Ready.
What's wrong? Tell me.
I'm upset, but I don't want to explain now.
Are you sure? I'm worried about you.
I understand. Thanks for asking. I need a break right now.
Okay. Do you want me to check on you later?
Yes, please. Later is good.
Perfect. I'll text you later.
Thank you.
Great job. You stayed polite and clear.
Nice. I feel more confident now.
All right. Before we go, we'll do a viewer question and a quick recap.
Great. I like the recap part.
All right. Before we go, here's a viewer question.
Oh, nice. What is it?
How can I say negative feelings politely without a long explanation?
Yes. That's hard.
No worries. Short lines are enough.
What can I say first?
Start with a simple feeling.
Like, I'm not feeling great.
Exactly. Then add a small next step. We used many useful words today. Let's review a few quickly. I'm not feeling great. I'm a little worried. I need a break. Can we talk later?
Nice. Those are very useful.
Now a quick practice tip.
Yes, please. What should I do?
Practice one line in the mirror 2 times a day.
Like morning and night?
Exactly. Keep it small.
Can I write my own line too?
Yes, that's even better.
What should viewers write?
Right. I'm not feeling great now. I need. We can talk later.
Nice, simple and real.
Great work today.
Yeah, step by step.
Okay, now we're at the end.
Wow, that went fast.
Today you practiced polite ways to say negative feelings.
And you can be honest without being rude.
Exactly. Keep it simple.
And don't over-explain.
If this helped you, please like and subscribe for more practice.
And share it with a friend who needs calm words.
Remember, practice 5 minutes a day.
5 minutes, not 50.
Perfect.
See you next time.
Bye for now.